One of the most annoying things when driving such a great car like the Golf GT or the Passat GT or any car actually is parking. That's where the park assist comes in place from the one from Volkswagen. And I know it's been called park assist or park pilot. And I'm not talking about the one that you just press the button and you just watch the driving wheel doing all of that fancy moves, but the manual one that you see here on your display, and is actually guiding you with the red and the red, the yellow and the green lines. So I think I managed to come up with a method that using those lines to have a really good parking, to have a perfect parking. I'm using them every time, and I must say that I think in maybe 95 or even 90 or 95% of the cases, the parking is perfect. So I would like to show you how I'm doing this, how I'm using the park assist here on the Volkswagen Passat GTE to have a perfect parallel parking. So let's try to find a parking spot, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so let's take a ride here, and I think this is a pretty quiet street, and hopefully we'll be able to find a nice parking place. Also with a car which will allow us to guide ourselves against the pavement, the sidewalk. Okay, here we go. I think we're just going to park there. We can see we have this Volvo in front of us. So the first thing that we're going to do is just align ourselves with the car, and usually what I'm doing is I'm getting close, like half a meter against the car, against the Volvo, like so, and I'm just driving until I see the back of the Volvo in my back right window. So until I see that corner there. In this moment, all I have to do is put it in reverse, and we'll look at the screen. Okay, so now it's in reverse, and you can see we have those yellow lines which will show us the path where the car will go, and we also have these horizontal lines which tell us more about the distance that we are. You can see I'm actually not on the option that allows me to parallel park, but I am on the one that allows me to perpendicular park against the pavement. Why? Because I cannot get a sense of this one, and I've tried this for so many times, and it never allows me to have a perfect parking. So we'll be using this one, which gives me better results. Okay, so first of all, you can see I'm having my wheels are right, and the first thing that I'm going to do is take the driving wheel all the way to the right side, and you can also see here the path that my car will going to take, and slowly releasing the brake until this left end of the right of the yellow line hits the base of the pavement. Now we're going to reverse the wheel and make sure that we have this corner against the pavement. That's all. Now all the way to the left side, and just release the brake easily. That's it. Straight the wheels, and let's see how we did. Okay, let's take a look at the side. So as you can see, we're like what? We're 10 centimeters on the back wheel and maybe 20 centimeters on the right wheel. But I'd say that's a pretty good parking. Okay guys, so basically that was it. This is how you use the park assist on the Volkswagen Passat GT. Let me know in the comments if you have any other tips or tricks on how to have a perfect parking. That's all. See you next time. Bye.